Hey guys, it's Roosterfish Media here, and today we're going to teach you how to utilize your profile video to its fullest potential. If you're a premier agent on Zillow, one really good way to utilize your profile video is to have it right up on your profile on Zillow, and it's something that you definitely should be utilizing since you're paying for that service. Another way to utilize a profile video is to post a full version right on your Facebook business page and then pin that thing to the top of the page. You can also post a 60-second version of your video right on Instagram and then post the video also on your story. Another thing we suggest doing is boosting the post both on Facebook and Instagram, which is like running it as like a paid ad on those social platforms. Also, another paid way to use a video is to post it as an ad on YouTube, and that gets a lot more eyes to see it as well. If you use a service like MailChimp or Constant Contact, definitely send your video out to your email list and potential clients to just increase your brand awareness to a very large group of people. Another really interesting way to utilize video is to actually send the video to all your vendor partners and clients, because they might have friends, family, or even clients that might need your services. Another way is if you have access to edit your website, having that video right there on your landing page or on your actual website would be a great way to just increase viewership. If you haven't already started a YouTube, I think now would be a really good time to consider starting that YouTube channel and just having it once again on another social media platform to just increase your brand awareness. And that YouTube link is what you'll probably use on your website, email campaigns, and in your email signature. So it's just an easy way to have it on all fronts. And lastly, kind of segueing into that, I really believe you should have a link in your email signature so anybody you're emailing, whether they're a client or not, can easily click the link to watch your video and then share it with their friends and family. Once again, thanks for watching our tips. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any questions at all on how to utilize your profile video, never hesitate to email or call, and definitely check out our page, Roosterfish Media, for more how-to tips.